We're getting the shed completed with the part that's going to have a little more storage and hold the cooler, which is going to keep everything nice and fresh for our shareholders and our farmers market. And Anna, Marianne, and Libby and Alyssa have been helping Dan from Jackson Concrete, who brought out the cement. Marianne headed up the project. Alyssa gave the dimensions and has been working on it as well, and we're hoping to have a crew of volunteers out this Saturday to finish it up. What it looked like when it was poured, and this is what is being finished. Ooh, Libby's turn. I wonder if people who are taller have an advantage in this.
There's a little divot in there. I got to fold it again. Press down on the handle. You did a good job striking. It's pretty level. Nice.
Good job, you guys. Woohoo!
All you have to do is pull a board across.